In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off dark mode in Microsoft Word. Dark mode is great for some time, but if you want to get back to the classic white screen, just follow these steps. First, click on File in the top left corner. Next, scroll all the way down and select Account. In the Account settings, we'll see two options: Office, Background, and Office Theme. We're interested in the Office theme. If yours is set to black, simply change it to white to return to the default light mode. You can also try gray if you want a softer look, but switching to white will completely turn off dark mode. After selecting your theme, press Escape to go back to your document, and that's it. Dark mode is now turned off. Just to repeat quickly, go to File, Account, Office Theme, choose the theme you prefer, and your screen will update instantly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials updates. Thanks for watching.